Hi everyone, my name is Meena and welcome to What's Your Hobby? In the previous episode, we saw the major types of climate. In this episode, let's learn about tornadoes. First of all, tornadoes are just rotating columns of air. But what makes them infamous is that tornadoes can be very violent and they are known for destroying everything on their path, like uprooting trees, destroying buildings, and so on. These villains are also called as cyclones, twisters, and so on. Their length usually starts from a thunderstorm and ends at the ground. Tornadoes have a vertical axis. Though tornadoes are made up of air and air is invisible, we can see a tornado with our naked eyes due to the dust, debris, and other particles that get trapped inside the rotating columns of air. So, a tornado often takes a smoky look with a greenish grey color. It can attain speeds up to 300 miles per hour, and a tornado of this speed can wreak havoc. A scale called Enhanced Fujita Scale or the EF scale helps us to determine the speed and hence the strength of a tornado. And this rating is based on the damage patterns on the ground. Let's take a look at the EF scale. EF ratings of 0 and 1 show that the tornado is weak in nature, whereas the ratings of 2 and 3 show that the tornado is strong. And very violent tornadoes come under the EF ratings of 4 and 5. A tornado can last up to an hour. However, it usually lasts for a few seconds to more than half an hour. As mentioned before, a tornado forms from a thunderstorm. The warm, humid air inside a thundercloud rises and the cooler air moves down. This in turn causes the air inside the thundercloud to spin around. When this spinning around becomes vertical, it gradually becomes the destructive tornado that we see. Well, that was a gist of what we so far know about tornadoes. Our researchers are still trying to figure out more about how exactly tornadoes form and die off. I hope that you all loved this session. See you all in a new video. Till then, take care and keep watching What's Your Hobby.